Hello there guys, and welcome back to another episode of Burst of Flavor Cooking right here at Nat 4 Islands Living. Today I'm going to show you how to make pizza, easy peasy pizza. In our house, pizza is one of those quick go-to meals, and we enjoy it in a variety of ways. Thin crust, thick crust, cheese stuffed crust, and with just a variety of toppings as well. Fish, olives, hams, cauliflower, spinach, pepperoncini, tomatoes, you name it. We have tried the whole gamut of pizza. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this very simple pizza, which is stuffed. It's thin crust and it is topped with olives, pepperoncini, pepperoni, and of course, my favorite cheese. I am baking two 15-inch pizzas, and so for the dough I need 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon yeast. I am also going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and this is to help to activate the yeast. And now I'm going to make a well in the middle of my flour mixture, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water slowly as I knead the flour. Once done kneading, roll the dough into a ball and cover it for about half an hour so that it will get a chance to rise. While I'm waiting for the dough to rise, I'm going to show you the different pizza pans that we use to bake our pizza. From the looks of it, you can tell that this is one of our older pans. It is about a 12-inch pan, and as you can see, it is unperforated. We also have this very new and unused metal pizza paddle, which is perfect for grilling in an pizza oven outdoor. This wooden pizza paddle can be used either in your indoor oven or an outdoor pizza oven as well. The pizza stone can be placed on your grill if you're grilling outside, or if you have a pizza oven, it works perfectly. It can also go into your normal oven as well. My absolute favorite is this perforated pizza disc, and it cooks the pizza quickly and thoroughly, and it's the right size. So this is what I'll be using today to make our pizza. For the topping, I have prepared some sliced tomatoes and grated some of my favorite cheese. This is mozzarella cheese and New York cheddar cheese. I'm also going to use some pepperoncini, olives, and some pepperoni. Of course, you can use whatever toppings you like. For the base of my pizza crust, I'm going to use this tomato pasta sauce, which I love, and about 2 teaspoons of this parsley oregano based pesto. So now that our dough is risen and ready, I'm going to turn it out onto a lightly floured surface, and I'm going to roll it out with a rolling pin. Place the dough onto a pan. And now for the fun and exciting part. Start putting on the toppings, beginning with the sauces. And if you want to kick up the heat factor, feel free to use a dash of crushed pepper or even some pepper sauce. And For even more flavor and that authentic taste of Italy, I'm going to use this Italian spice blend. Now add the cheese and other toppings. And bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Try it at home and let me know how you like it. Whatever you do, continue to explore and to have adventures in the kitchen. And until next time, from Nat 4 Islands Living, walk good.